It is September now, and I think that means that it's time to decorate for fall. What are you doing? Calm down. So, having stuff thrown at me. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Here, go play down. So anyway, let's go get some decorations, and I'll bring you along with me. Okay, so we have a couple of things down here. Got this guy, and oh no, where's that? Oh, disaster! Oh no! Oh no! Need my other hand. There we go. Okay. I also have something in here. Please ignore the horrible, horrible mess. Now, there we go. These are starting to look a little shabby. I made these maybe 3 years ago, but we have some leaf decals, or decals, I guess, if you're in the States, or maybe anywhere else in the world. Maybe decals just a Canadian thing. I don't know. Onto the tutorial. So I'm starting off just by searching for an image online. I just did a Google image search for a leaf outline, and I found this image from One Little Project. So I'm just gonna save that to my computer and print it out. And of course, if you are very, very talented, you can just freehand something. So once you have your image printed, you can just go ahead and cut that out. And then we're going to take contact paper. So I'm just cutting a piece of contact paper to size, just big enough so that my image will fit onto it. Just using a roll of plain white, but it comes in tons of different colors and patterns, and you can even get textured. And from there you can take the image that you cut out and trace it onto the back of the contact paper. Make sure you're tracing it onto the back and not the front. That way you won't get any marker or pen marks on the front of the contact paper. If you have a Cricut or any other kind of cutting machine, you can obviously do this much easier on that. Just load whatever image you like into your design program and then cut it out on your machine. Just make sure that you are using removable vinyl and not permanent. So once your decal is all cut out, all you have to do is peel off the back and stick it onto the window, and then you can just peel it off whenever you're ready to remove it. If you want to keep your decal or decal and reuse it another time, all you have to do is stick it onto a piece of parchment or wax paper and store it away until you're ready to use it again. Thank you so much for watching. This was my first video, so I'm still trying to figure out what this channel's gonna be. If you have any ideas for comments, please leave it in the comment section below. Definitely there will be more DIY and crafting content, maybe vlogging or maybe even some ASMR. Again, let me know what you want to see. And if you did try out this project, let me know how it went and what you made. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks and have a wonderful day.